Hi guys, welcome to Ukeguide. In this lesson, we'll learn the very famous song Sham from the movie Aisha. This was one of the most requested songs to me, and today I'm very excited to bring a detailed lesson for you all. So, with no more ado, take out your uke. Now check if your ukulele is in tune. And let's start learning the song. So guys, to play this song you need 5 chords, and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F, chord G and chord F minor. Now to play chord C you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G will sound like this. To play chord F minor, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 4th string, your middle finger on 1st fret 3rd string and your little finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord F minor will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. In this song we're using a common strumming pattern, that is down up, 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 down up. This pattern will remain same all across the song, however we are using a little variation while playing it. So let me quickly explain you this. That's how this pattern sounds when you'll play it in the song. So what we are doing in this pattern, we are actually going down, then we are going up, and then in the 3rd stroke we are playing all strings with more force like this, and then we are coming up. So down, up, 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 down, up. Now guys, if you want, you can also use your thumb and your first finger to play this pattern. So for that, what you have to do, you have to play down, up with your thumb like this, and then in a 3rd stroke you use your first finger like this, and then you go up with your thumb. So down, up, 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 down, up. So now let me quickly show you how this pattern sounds on a particular chord. So right now I'm holding chord C and I'm using my first finger. So let me play this pattern for you. So guys, if you want, you can also introduce chucking in this song, and for that what you have to do, you will do down up in the same manner, but in the 3rd stroke you will mute the strings. So you will do it like this, and then you go up. So it will sound like. So guys, I'll be using a capo in this song and placing it on 1st fret like this. In case you sing on a higher scale than me, then you can extend the length of this capo and place it on 2nd or 3rd fret as per your choice, and then you can start playing the same chords. So now let's start playing the song. शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी, लहर लहर जैसे बह रही है, कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी बात धीमे धीमे कह रही है, कहीं ना कहीं जागी हुई सी है ये आरज़ू, कहीं ना खामोश दोनों कि बुम 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 पारा पारा है मदहोश दोनों जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं जो कहती सुनती है ये निगाहें जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना। सुहानी सुहानी है ये कहानी जो खामोशी सुनाती है जिससे तूने चाहा होगा वो तेरा मुझे वो ये बताती है। मैं मगन हूँ पर ना मैं जानूँ क्यों आने वाला है वो पल जब हौले हौले धीरे धीरे हिलेगा प्यार का कमल कि बुम 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 पारा पारा है मदहोश दोनों कि बुम 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 पारा पारा है खामोश दोनों जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं जो कहती सुनती है ये निगाहें जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना। So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have liked it. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon. This will ensure that you never miss an upcoming lesson on my channel. And guys, I also have an Instagram account, so in case you have a song request or you have a query in mind, you can contact me there. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.